welcome. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to change Workweek in Wrike. Now let's get started. The first thing you need to do when you want to change the Workweek in Wrike is to access the project settings. How do you do that? Look for the project for which you want to change the Workweek and then click on the project tab. Then in the properties section of the project tab, you will find and click on change working time. And once you've done that, the next step is to adjust Workweek settings. How do you do this? Choose the calendar associated with your project. Edit the work weeks. By selecting the days of the week, check the boxes for the days that constitute your work week, and then define the start and end times for each working day. Once you do that, next thing you're going to do is to add exceptions, if you like, that is add holidays or non-working days to the schedule, and then click OK to save these changes to your project's work week. That's all. That is how to change Workweek in Wrike. Now let's go to some important notice. Number one, project specific. This change of Workweek applies specifically to the selected project. So note that if you want to change for other projects, you have to do the same. You have to repeat the same thing for the other project. Next, when you change the Workweek, it also affects how the task durations and due dates are displayed and calculated in the Gantt chart. So, if you're using Wrike for resource scheduling, adjusting the Workweek will also impact resource availability and workload calculations. But if you follow the steps we just mentioned, you can effectively customize the Workweek settings within Wrike to accurately reflect your team's working hours and improve project planning and scheduling. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.